Cooking Appa.
Hi, this is Cooking Appa. Today Appa has some very special ingredient here. I'm not sure if you can see clearly. This is one type of deep sea prawn, but look at the leg. Sorry, the tail is actually blue color. I'm not sure what is it called. Is it called blue tail prawn? First time I'm looking at it. Anyway, it's some beautiful prawn here. So today I'm going to use this prawn to make into a butter prawn with egg floss. First time Appa making this. So first of all, you need to clean the prawn. We actually remove the head, up to you, and then we remove the legs, the head, and also devein the prawn, yeah, in the middle here. This is what you need to make the butter egg floss. We need some butter, of course. I use unsalted butter here, and a bit of garlic, chili. You can use chili padi, and some curry leaves, and 2 to 3 eggs. And we will be using only the egg yolk. So first of all, you need to prep the prawn. We are going to deep fry it, yeah. Let's give it some salt here. After the salt, we are going to give it some cornstarch. Oh, yeah, I remember something. Because later I'm going to use only the egg yolk, I can probably put in some egg white here. Right, so I'm putting in some egg white. Right, yeah, so we don't waste the egg white. Just give it a mix. Right, then we are going to put this into hot oil. All right, always good to bring your oil into smoking point. Then we can put in the prawn. Prawn can splatter quite easily, especially with the head, yeah? So today we have removed the head. And the thing is, you should not fry your prawn for too long, even though we want to fry until it is almost fully cooked, yeah? Ooh, immediately I can smell the nice fragrance coming out from the shell. Any seafood with shell, when it is coming in contact with hot oil, it will be very fragrant. Things like crab, yeah, that will be very fragrant as well when you deep fry the crab. Average frying time for prawn usually is plus minus about 3 to 4 minutes. Yeah, don't cook it for too long. If you cook it for too long, it may become mushy. So good to have a timer. To be honest, this oil I'm using today is actually reused oil. I actually used it to fry some beautiful fish last night. But I will only maximum will only reuse the oil once only. Yeah. Provided it is still very clean. Right, then prepare a kitchen towel or oil absorbing paper at the side. Alright, keep it to medium high heat, and you can start seeing the bubbles become lesser and lesser, meaning the moisture from the prawn has been going out, telling you that the prawn is almost cooked. Right, some of the smaller one definitely is ready. Very fragrant right now. I wish you can smell this. And look at the curl, yeah? The beautiful curl from all the prawns here. Right, we can actually take it out and let it rest on the oil absorbing paper at the side, yeah? Then our first step is ready. See how easy it was. Right, here's the deep fried prawn. Actually now already can eat. But we are going to make it into the butter egg floss. Next thing, break the egg and just get the egg yolk, yeah? Just get the egg yolk. And you want to mix up the egg yolk. Right, so later we want to try to let it slowly pour pour the egg yolk into the wok. So I'm going to put in the butter. I don't mind adding a little bit of vegetable oil here. Sometimes we will add a little bit of vegetable oil with butter because butter can actually get burned quite easily. Yeah, that's the thing. Oh, by the way, you need to prepare a colander at the side. Let me quickly show you. Yeah, you need to prepare a colander at the side here for to collect the egg floss. So once the butter is fully melted, you can actually raise the bowl of the egg and slowly put in like that. Did you see? Yeah, so they become very thin shreds. And you need to keep on stirring on the same direction. I'm using medium-high heat right now. Ooh, look at all the egg floss. Beautiful egg floss. This is my first time making this dish. Wow, nice. Look at the beautiful egg floss. Now we can actually put in the ginger, garlic, and also the curry leaves for added flavor. Going to keep on stirring. You want to make sure the egg floss is a little bit, gets a little bit browny. I raised the heat a little bit actually. Wow, very fragrant. Super fragrant right now. It's my first time making this, so I did not use too high heat at the beginning just now. Which you probably should, yeah? Medium high, yeah? Maybe I put a little bit too much garlic. You can reduce the garlic or even omit the garlic. Curry leaves and the chili is more important right here. Now you see all the bubbles coming up? Yes, yes, we are waiting for this. This is a sign telling you your egg floss is almost ready. This is what we are waiting for. We are waiting for the bubbles. So you need to keep on frying until you see all these bubbles, yeah? Then after that, we can actually put in the prawn. Give it a few stir. You can see the egg floss ready. And we are going to put this over into the colander at the side. To filter out the oil. Yeah, to sift through the oil. Wow, very fragrant because of the butter. Use some nice butter, it will taste really good. Give it 1-2 minutes. Right, this is after about 1-2 minutes. You can see the oil has actually sifted through. After which I'm going to put it into the serving plate. Right, so here's my very simple cooking appa butter prawn with egg floss. Actually, it's not difficult at all to make. It's a bit tricky for me because I need to jaga the view, the angle of how I make the video. That's all. If I don't have to make the video, actually, it's quite easy. And another thing is probably next time instead of 3 eggs, I'll put in 4 eggs. Yeah, it looks like the egg floss. The more, the merrier. All right. I hope you like my very simple video today. If you like my video, do share my video on your Facebook to your friends. Come to Cooking Appa Facebook fan page to click like and follow button. Follow up on Instagram and subscribe to Cooking Appa YouTube channel. Thank you very much. Bye bye.